Today we are here to ask one simple question. How do we set up a ledger recovery key? Let's find out. First thing first, we need a ledger device, and that ledger device needs to already be set up and linked to a seed phrase. Next, we're going to tap the setting icon, and then right over here, it's going to say ledger recovery key. We are going to tap on that. Next, it's going to ask you for the key itself, which we have right there. What I'm going to tell you to do is kind of push it through where it's slightly above the center, where you can see it above. When I had it directly in the middle, I had some connection issues. Next, we're going to tap Set Up. Once we do that, it's going to ask you for the passcode from the ledger device. I am going to enter that in now. We're going to hit the check mark. To prevent unauthorized access, it's going to have us create a new PIN for this device right here. The one thing I'm going to recommend is using a different passcode than you use for the actual ledger device. So I'm going to do that right now. So we are typing it in once, and now I'm going to type it in a second time. Next, we are going to create the backup. We are going to take the key and we are going to place it into the back of the device again. And now it is going to start backing up the key. All right, it didn't like it, so we are going to adjust it slightly. The secret recovery phrase backup has been completed, so we're going to tap. Your recovery key is like your spare key. Use it to restore access to your assets on a new ledger device if your current one is lost, stolen, or replaced. Make sure you have the seed phrase written down somewhere else. You will need it in case your ledger recovery key is lost or damaged. We will name it later. You got it. You can name it later in your Ledger Flex settings. So guys, remember the most important thing is it kind of wants you to be somewhat halfway raised, similar to that. So just be aware that if you have it too low, you might not see it recovering, just to adjust it slightly higher. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use it to actually recover a ledger device so you don't have to manually type in your seed phrase. All right, so subscribe for that. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.